everybody, my name is SnakeEyesBP1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360, and PC. Today we're doing Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980 on the YouTube channel, so here we go. Today's food we're going to do is we're cooking Shukabobs. We're actually, technically, this is a chicken kebab, but still, we're doing a form of a kebab if you really want to cook on the grill and stuff like that. So you can do it that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this one right here. And then we have to set this up. So if you want to take a look, come closer. So basically what we're going to do is we want to set these here again like we always do. Turn the gas on. And then hopefully it fires. It's on! And now what we're going to do is we're going to have to leave this cooking, and then we'll rotate these with this thing here so that we can actually keep the food cooked. What we're going to look for is we want to turn these white, all the meat parts white, and then once they're white, we're done. So here we go. So basically, these are the Shukabobs. They're pretty much good and cook. Basically, you can buy these over at your local stores or whatever if you want to have it. Sometimes they'll have like pineapple with them. They'll have like maybe onions, tomatoes, green peppers and stuff like that. If you can find those or whatever, you can cook them on the grill, and it doesn't, I mean, it takes a while for it to cook. If you happen to find out that the meat is still pink, I suggest that you put them into the microwave. Minus the fact that if you have the kebabs wooden, you can put them in the microwave. If they're metal, you can't do that. So thank you for enjoying the content of my Cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980, and do come back see me next time when I cook another different type of food next Saturday. Until then, bye for now.